hello, my people. This is Christian. I'm here to teach you how to at least know the way forward on how to trade forex. Because some people nowadays will just come, they'll just tell you to bring your money. They can trade for you. They can do this. They can do that. Sometimes it's good for you to trade by yourself because whatever you do on it, even though because I know forex is not 100%, but at least if you know what you're doing, you can make money in forex. At least every day you can make use of forex and at least be using it to maintain yourself. Are you getting me? So some people telling you come and do this, come and do that. Why by they cannot afford anything to they can't even afford anything. Then they don't know how to trade. Just tell you to come bring your money so that you trade for. So it's better you desist from that act. It's better you learn by yourself. I will teach you people how to follow it up in a this you know that once the market is coming down or going up, you know what to do, and you know the time the market wants to start coming up or coming down. That is it. So this is good. This is a good. This is monthly time frame. This is monthly time frame. You can see. You can see at the. Let me bring this. You see here. Please bring this one. You see here. This zone. You can see this zone. You can see that zone. That's the market has always come and go bounce back from that particular place. You can see it. This place and this place. This is monthly time frame. You can see this place. This one did not even was not able to reach. It was not able this lap up movement was not able to even reach the first and the second resistance. The first resistance where market was trying to go up and stop at that edge, which is this place. Now another one ended this place. Then this one was trying to go up. Was trying to go up. Then the market was not able to reach to this level. It was not able to reach to this level. So and you can see that this market now is on monthly time frame. This monthly time frame now is not as if you will trade on monthly time frame. Monthly time frame tells you what to do on lower time frames. I don't know what you're getting me. Monthly time frame always gives you a good direction on what to do on lower time frames. Are you understanding me? Now, once let me clear this and go back. Let me go back to 1 week. You can see in this 1 week, you can see in this 1 week time frame, this from here now, down, when this from this downside to up this place. That was what I was showing you on monthly time frame. That was what I was showing you on monthly time frame. The market really moved. This is it. This movement here now, this movement, this movement now was when the market was going up. Now, this is when it is coming down. It's coming down like this now. Let me clear this thing again. The market started here, went up, was not able to beat this high, and there is an engulfing here, indicating that once this engulfing happens, once this engulfing happens on this higher time frame, monthly time frame, meaning that subsequent time, like and more other days that are coming, that market is going to start dropping down from 1 week daily chart, it's 30 minutes, 1 hour, all those time frame. You see that we are even at the edge of the month end. I don't know. The month will soon end. This year is 26. So once tomorrow, once this month finishes and this engulfing happens on this the higher time frame, monthly time frame, meaning that this market now, once you go to once you go to weekly, you see that the market is coming down. You see that the market is really coming down. You can see it. The market is coming down. It's coming down. So, and you can see that there is an engulfing here also on weekly time frame. And remember that anything that concerns engulfing comprises a inability of the buyers to continue their upward movement, and for these sellers to engulf the candle, meaning that the sellers has overpowered the buyers. Now the sellers want to bring down the market back to sell. But looking at the looking at the monthly time frame, looking at the monthly time frame the market will come down. Yes, quite sure, because an engulf wants to form on that monthly time frame. But that does not mean that you won't be seeing upward and downward movement on lower time frame, like 1 hour, 30 minutes. I get it. Because from here now, from here, once this market reach here, once this market reach here, on the market reach here, there will be a serious retracement, because this is making this support, because when this market was going up, this market struggled to break here, and meaning that once it's coming down, this place this place market has to respect there. But that does not mean that it will go up and pass the former high, when the former high before it started coming down. That only tells you that you be careful, because whatever you are trading on lower time frame, be careful of this place, because any retracement that is going up from the lower time frame, meaning that if it is on 30 minutes, while 1 week is what that wants to 1 week wants to have its own retracement, it will go very deep on lower time frame. Okay, but that doesn't mean that the trend has changed. Remember that the higher time frame is still telling you that there is an engulfing on that. So meaning that retracement is just a moment. After the retracement, the thing will now fire down. That is it. So let us go to daily chart. Let us see what is happening on daily chart. So, let us see what is happening on daily chart. You can see the daily market has already started moving since. Are you getting it? But even though even though you didn't make the market early, the market will still give you an opportunity to enter. you don't need to enter the market because what you need in this market is something that will make you to enter the market. Because now, if you enter this market, let me see, let me use which color? Let me use this color. Okay, this color. This is daily chart. Market has already market has the market had the market had its retracement here first time. So you didn't if you didn't enter the market, you missed the market. This was the first this was this was the first entrance. Let me show you very well. This that one. I just want to grab it. This was the first entry. If you didn't if you wanted to enter the this was the first entry. Market went up, coming down, then wanted to make a higher high. Then this is just let me they are market markers, like they triggered people that wanted to buy this market up again. Now this market has to engulf this daily chart candle that made this market to come down to this level. That is why I told you that anything that is called engulfing, this engulfing here, markets engulf this candle. This black candle engulf this white one. Okay, imagine that the black candle engulf this white one on daily chart. It brought this market, to this extent. That engulfing brought the market to this extent. It's not a small money. This thing you're seeing here is not small money. It's not small money. See it? It brought the market very far. So imagine that that's engulfing on monthly chart frame I showed you hold. What if it holds? So if the market holds, that means there's something we call long dip, because that monthly is what controls all the time frames, because that monthly is the highest. So once that monthly confirms that engulfing, meaning that the market will drop fully. So anything you are doing, make sure you concentrate on sell on this good opportunity. So let me claim this. Now remember that people that did not enter this market, you can't enter this market now until you see something like this. Because that 1 week I told you that there will be a retracement there. Once as this market made a lower low from here to this place, we are expecting a retracement, at least 5 candles to confirm that it's a good retracement, or 4. So as this market shoot this down, the market has to give a retracement like this. It has to give a retracement like this. Then once this market goes up, you don't need to wait for this market under here. You don't need to enter the market under, because sometimes markets may come to trigger you in to test your emotion. So once they trigger you, maybe the market will do as if it wants to go up again, and you will now jump out and go out from the market. So once the market goes up and you see anything involving, like as I showed you what the meaning of engulfing. Engulfing is when the buyers engulf the sellers, or the sellers engulf the buyers. So the sellers candles that formed after the buyers candle formed, if that sellers candle engulf is bigger than the buyers candle, meaning that the momentum of the sellers are high. So people normally enter here under here to wait for the market to come down and touch them, but sometimes it's very bad, because this market may come and touch you and go back. Are you getting it? So this is why I said you have to wait for this market to enter, for you to enter, because you have to see the momentum of the sellers back, because after the market must have given a retracement, you have to see a momentum. What I mean by momentum is that what I want to say momentum is that the market has to give an engulfing here, has to give an engulfing here before you see it coming down, making a lower, because mandatory that this market has to come down. But market forex market is not always 100%. Sometimes you give it 90. Are you getting it? So why I said it's better you enter here. Once you see a momentum, it's better you enter here, this place. It's better you enter this place once you see a momentum than say you entered here, because your stop loss, the person anybody that enters here has a high stop loss than you that enter here, and the stop loss will be on the top of the place, on top of this place that the other person entered. And you know that that same place is still the resistance, because the market stopped there and started coming down because there was a momentum of an engulfing, or a shooting star, that will confirm that the market is no longer retracing, it has to come down. I'm getting it. So that is what I want to analysis I want to give on this particular one now. This is good. This is good analysis. So anybody trading gold should make sure that it follows whatever I'm saying here, because you can see this place now. You can see this monthly time frame. You can see this monthly time frame. You can see this monthly time frame. This engulfing, this is good engulfing. This two candle, you can see the engulfing here. This is a good engulfing. So imagine that daily chart had an engulfing, and the market went very deep. And you know that this is also a double top. It's a double top. It's a double top. This place is a double top because the market could not pass there. And market has already been touching there every time. Market has been touching here every time. Market has been touching here every time. This thing now this is the third time this market is start. This is let me see. Let me show you. So this was the first time this market touch. This is the second time the market touch, and the same place. This is the third time the market touched. Then you can see that the market still reached there and started coming back. And it's not as if it's coming, but it's coming. It came down with an engulfing on a monthly time frame. So you should understand what it means, because once you see an engulfing, that means there is a strong momentum of the sellers that wants to make this market to start coming down. So anything you're looking at in the future, once there is an engulfing here, because very soon this month to February is 26, highest 4 days, the market, this one closes. So once you notice there's an engulfing here, make sure that you queue in for a sell position, and you must make sure that the lower time frame gives you the sell opportunity for you to enter into the market, because you must see that structure, your high, your low, your lower high. From that lower high is where you'll be looking for, because let me show you something now. This is your high, this is your high, this is your low. This market went from low to up like this. We call this place a lower high. We call it a lower high. This is a high. Market started coming down. Stop here. Stopped here, meaning creating a low, then going up, was not able to beat the former high. Now creating an engulfing here. This is an engulfing. So if this market engulfing candle here, meaning that you have to go to lower time frame to look for an opportunity of entry point. I know that the market has been going far. Like people that has not entered the market, that they are the people that will look for. And but if you have entered this market, you make sure you start closing your order. Like once market makes a high, make a lower high, and make a lower low again, you close your order, you close your take profit. Like you bring your stop loss down to the resistance of once the market has created the lower low, you bring your stop loss down to down to the resistance, so that the market will not touch you. So for now, you can see that this market is a downtrend. This is a downtrend. This is a confirmed downtrend. Downtrend, good downtrend. No, there is nothing to talk about here because the market fails to hit the high. So, well, if you people need more content, I would like you to put a comment below. You can also subscribe and type on the notification bell so that once there is another opportunity like this, I will see make sure I give it out in a good way. Because if you can leverage on if you can make sure you leverage on the higher time frame, you understand what I mean. Because if you start to look at opportunity on the higher time frame, I know that it sometimes it delays, but it pays. Because once you are entering market often and on, you may not make the money like the person uh, that view the monthly and the weekly time frame aspect. Because once you started doing that small little, one day you will see that all those little you are getting, jump and enter, jump come out, and those ones sometimes maybe one day those market one day something may happen. So that is why once you heal into this long time trade, because this one gives you an opportunity of a long time trade, that you don't need to enter, because once market has stayed, it has set, nothing to talk about it. So for now, I'll drop this one like this. You understand what I mean? If you didn't understand, comment on the comment on the comment section. Tell me what where you didn't understand, so that I will see improve and know what to do. And also uh, subscribe and also press the notification button, so that once I drop another video, you understand, and make sure say you are the first person to to see my video and leverage on it. Thanks for watching.